there is a new task on PAWS. Here we click on the end section to look at the task. Okay, you can see pre-market teaser, that is the new task, and you earn 5,000 PAWS when you perform this task. So let's start the task and let's see what we're going to get. This pre-market is PAWS pre-market trading, so before the listing. So let's go to the task and click Chrome and select the Explorer where you want it to open. I selected Chrome, so let's open it. Let's wait for it to open. Let it verify. So what we are going to do here is that we go to this place. Let me show it. Okay, you click this place, tap on it, you will see pre-market. So click on the pre-market. You see what the pre-market information. You must be eligible for PAWS drop in order to access this page. The pre-market page will be available soon. Click got it. That is it. So we have to go back to the PAWS itself site. What you do here, you have to reload the page. To reload the page, this is the instruction. Let me remove it. Okay, you know how to reload the page. You click here. When you click here, reload the page and return back to the end session. When that is done, you can claim your PAWS. So let's click the end session again. You can see it is highlighted, so we can claim the 5,000. Done. So this is how to do it. So watch the video and follow the step. If this is your first time of coming across my video, subscribe and click the notification bell so that you receive notification whenever I post a new video. Also like and share. Finally, watch my playlist. You will see other interesting videos in there. Thank you for watching.